When the number one priority is keeping your facilities up and running, why trust your repairs with anyone but the original? Our Factory Original Repair is the only authorized repair center for Rexroth electric drives and controls products. We restore products back to their original performance specifications, ensuring unparalleled quality and reliability. Our team of trained experts are skilled in troubleshooting and resolving problems swiftly. Our dedicated help desk is available 24/7 through phone support or scheduling on-site service. For aging equipment or desired performance upgrades, we can engineer a retrofit solution tailored to your needs and performance goals. Our certified training programs offer practical, hands-on teaching to qualified employees. Don't compromise your safety or the performance of your valuable equipment. Protect your bottom line by choosing a repair straight from the source.